What is going on, everybody? Welcome to part 2 my Hot Rod Power Tour journey. Part 1 was 3 stops in about 17 minutes. This part is 4 stops in about 17 minutes. About 30 hours of footage to go through. Man, there's a lot of spider webs out here today. Let's get started on part 2. Hot Rod Power Tour on our way to our 4th stop. Sorry, lumpy bumpy. Got to go through my hometown on my way in to the Hoover stop. Stay the night in my hometown, hang out with my mom, hang out with some of my friends. And I got to leave my hometown on some of the back roads I used to bomb as a kid when I first started driving in my old van. I don't know how I managed to sustain the speeds I did in that big thing, because I didn't sustain them in this. I was going very, very slow. Right now we're cruising out I-20 out of Pell City, headed for Oxford, Alabama, I believe. Surrounded by Camaros, Camaro. Here comes a Firebird, and there's what looks like a G8 behind me, with a Corvette coming up behind him. So, lots of cool stuff out and about today. Pell City, Eden, had the streets lined with people. That's pretty cool. Everybody waving. One lady stopped in the middle of cutting her grass as we shot through, because I don't think she knew what was going on. She was just standing dumbfounded on the side of the road with her mower running. Very happy, very dumbfounded look on her face as all the hot rods came tearing through. Sorry, big bump. That's always pretty cool to see. Getting ready to cross over the Coosa River. Crossed over it a couple times yesterday, about to cross over it again. Here we go. Stop 4 Hot Rod Power Tour, Hampton, Georgia, at the Atlanta Motor Speedway. My little neck of the woods. hear them doing autocrossy stuff in the background. Might check some of that out later. Can't find any shape, make your own, right?
That's it.
Watch the speed. Watch. It just starts creeping open at 65.
We are on our way to stop 5, I think. Yeah, I think stop 5. We're going to Darlington. Last night was cool. Got to hang out with some friends. Stay at my place for the night. And I'm going to go rush and catch up with the route somewhere in South Carolina. North Carolina. One of the Carolinas, I don't know which. Let's get the heck out of here. Well, she still started when I asked her to, so I guess that's something. Let's get some tunes. Little skippy there, but now I got some meat puppets for the ride into whatever Carolina I'm going to. Check in later. That wraps up day 5, I think. How are you? Yeah, Darlington, the hotel car park. Ooh, there's that super thing. A lot of cool cars in the hotel car park today. It's a mini car show in itself. 5 days in. 2 more stops to go, I think. Yeah. So far, so good.
That was the first thing I
Do not have high hopes for this hotel stay, judging by the quality of the elevator. This is going to wrap up day 6. For some reason you're going on auto ISO of 2000 and F22. That's really weird. This wraps up day 6 power tour in Raleigh, North Carolina. Last one out, turn off the lights. That is packed full of ice. It's really, really hot. So it's not really that hot, but it is very humid. I'm just going to figure out how to get out of here. All right.
Head northeast toward Peter Carmano's Junior Drive.
Yes, dear. Update on the truck. She's not happy with me. Clutch is chattering in second, third, and fourth, and really just doesn't want to go in first. But she still moves, so we're gonna keep going. The AC is still blowing ice cold for the most part. Haven't had to turn the fan above 2, but one time.
Turn left onto Peter Carmano's Junior Drive.
Yes, dear. So everything is all good until the transmission decides to just go to complete pieces.
Quarter mile. Turn right onto East Stevens Street.
All right. I hear you. Anyway, headed to the hotel, hang out, find something to eat. I might go this way. Oh, someone's doing a big smoky burnout. Anyway, see you. Day 7, stop 7, power tour. There's home. Home away from home. Drunk guys found that in Bowling Green. It fit in their car, so it fit in the bed of my truck. So, got a shady spot to hang out. Fetch a couple things, then we're gonna go for a walk. It's my big mess. Week's worth of detritus. That. Thought I had another spare card in there. I guess I don't. Hopefully this one's got a lot of room on it. You've got schmutz on you. Put a polarizer on your schnoz. That way it cuts most of the glare. A week's worth of gross luggage. I'm gonna take this thing down real quick. Hopefully that'll stay put. Just gonna walk through the lot, head over to the Midway. Bless you! There's some folks hanging out in their cars to beat the heat. It's about to get dark. I can't see anything. Gee, I wonder why. So these folks cruising in some real style. This one might be a little bit fast. The pilot transport guys, these guys here all the time. It's a big sponsor. Everybody knows who this is. I think everybody knows who this is too. Lingenfelter and Royal Purple came out. This purple thing apparently belongs to Rutledge Wood. It's quite big.
There it is. You feel like you say you're not crazy.
For the folks all hanging out after the cruise is over, after the tour is over. The last folks hanging out after Power Tour is over with. It's into day 7. And they either die hard or they're waiting for the line to die down. I know which one I'm doing. That ends day 7 Power Tour. As usual, and the last ones to leave. Still some cool stuff left. Now the only issue is I'm gonna find my way home. 3 hours and 46 minutes to Atlanta. It's dark. I'm not wearing sunglasses. Alright, that was part 2. If you're still here, thanks for hanging out.